Hello, this is Adam Dent on the Specktron booth at ISE 2020. We're delighted to be here again, showing off our various products, LED walls, interactive displays, kiosks, and projectors. We've got our new S range, which is available in 55, 65, 75, and 86 and 98-inch sizes. The big deal with this is that it is an optically bonded touch display. There is no air gap between the glass and the panel. That means that there's no opportunity for dust or anything nasty to get in between the glass and the panel. Therefore, no servicing required to keep it clean. Android 8, we've got a new narrow bezel, which hopefully you can see me pointing at, 65mm, and a super price, special for ISE, €2,800 plus VAT to end users. We've also got a range of other products, our kiosks, our LED walls, which come in 110-inch up to 220-inch. We have a different range of our interactive displays, the E range, which are lower cost still, as well as the projectors, which are all ultra short throw. Thank you very much for your attention. We look forward to seeing you in Hall 13, stand B134, or visit www.specktron.com. See you soon.